cause them run down. Hey, yeah. Say whoa, whoa.
My kings and queens, if you just see a salute, that salute is for the legend Kokoti. My people, Kokoti is our legend, and Kokoti has passed, my people. And how Everbless is gonna be remembering Kokoti today, my people. Stay tuned and listen out for the history of some of the things that we'll be talking about Kokoti to them, my people. But I'm saying that we are in Spanish Town again. And we're showing this artwork here, my people. And for the persons who don't know, we are in Jamaica. And this part of Jamaica that I am at is in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. This bridge, I'll be showing you a little of this bridge, my people, because this bridge is still standing in Spanish Town. And today, my people, Everbless will be walking again. I'll be showing you bits and pieces of Spanish Town. Yeah, man. San Diego Shopping Center. So I think of that. And my people, it's going to be a long walk today. And Everbless is going to be encouraging you to accompany me along while I showcase to you again some of the beauty that is ahead of us. St. Catherine Prison. So that area, let me show you a bit. This area is a playing area. So you can see my people. So they play football. So that's a little mini stadium there. That is a Spanish Town going with it. Reggae, Everbless travel. Good. And you too. So my people, the man see me the camera and he was hiding. I don't know why when people see camera they get scared. So that means my people. That means when you see Everbless I walk through, it's a lot of bravery, it's a lot of energy Everbless have to put in to present content for you. So why not? So why you a fight? Subscribe to the channel right this. And also give the video a like, my people, for the bravery that I am. Because a lot of people believe that YouTube is easy, but it is not as easy as you have thought. It is hard work. So to them, my people, I'm gonna give you a glimpse as to how hard it is, because I'll be walking a long journey. Yeah. So stay tuned and watch what I take that. Bit by bit. And while Everbless walk along, he's showing you these things here. The other thing I noticed, my people, is that when you walk the street, you have a lot of people look at you, just keep staring at you and say, is he crazy or what? Because they see you walk and talk and give an expression like Everbless, like to point the finger and say that's yeah, a lot of people don't understand. So we're walking around. Spanish Town Hospital is there. Yeah, man. So my people, as we promised that we'll be talking about Kokoti. Kokoti is a big artist. Yeah, man. Produce a lot of hit songs. And Everbless I'm a little G. And we icon. Because from where little boy and I grow, we are listening to Kokoti and Professor Nuts and Charlie Chaplin and Josie Whale and all them on the bank. Cassette. Who have a cassette today? I don't think so. I want to across this busy street here, man. So we're walking along. So right there, my people, is the Spanish Town Hospital. And if you want to go to Ocherius by a taxi, this little area here is where you come and get your taxi to Ocherius. And you can hear some people say, Ocherius, Ocherius. Yeah. Rest in peace, my legend, Cocotti. Yeah, man. There's a Ruby's gas station. Yeah. In that little circle, you must this is where you get the bus road. Man with style. Man an artist. You want bust two tune for my camera? Me name ever bless travels. You want bust two tune for my camera today? I saw you go?
Yeah.
So what man name?
I mean, Rassi Manuel.
Rassi Manuel?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Man, Rassi Manuel, the whole style.
Yeah, man.
Me G, today vlog is about Cocotti.
Oh, Cocotti.
Are we icon?
Yeah, man, I love it.
We used to listen to whole heap of cassette. Can you find a cassette today?
No, you can't.
Long gone. That means man, a year man. You can bust a tune, you can sing any one Cocotti for me, if even one line.
Give me a topic or anyone.
No man, just any Cocotti, we don't care as long as a Cocotti is singing. Some people them are ready to do a Cocotti song.
Yeah, we artists, you know, we all miss him, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, we have to send me condolence. You see me, I say, big top artists from out of Clarendon. You see me, from Rassi Manuel. You see me, I say, them man that do them thing, play them role. You see me, I give it. Rastafari.
Long live Cocotti.
Yeah,
Appreciate you, my brother.
Yeah, yes,
and if you pay attention, you're par with the same body like Cocotti. Alright, with you. Some people you hear one song, him say tune in. Cocotti in the lot. Yeah, man. I don't know normal song that my people, so we just keep on a walk through. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people, yeah. The artist, I don't know for some reason, but I just can't remember the topic of the songs that he sing on top of my head. So I'm walking through, and as I meet and greet people in the street, I'll be asking to them, my people, if anyone can remember the hustlers continues in the street, my people. And I'm gonna be showing you one little piece of the ancient bridge that is still alive in Spanish Town here, my people, where I just shown you and the painting there. So I'm gonna take you and show you it live and direct. Yeah, man. I'm gonna show you live and direct, my people. And there's a car here. I don't know what the car is about, but I'm gonna just show one little piece of the bridge. Now I'm going to go too far upon it. I'm just going to show you a little piece of it, people. So this is the area, still in Spanish Town. I don't know what this is all about. Yeah, man. Some of the people saw the history. And the history of the bridges, my people. Yeah, man. It's a Raya Colby.
Yeah,
Raya Colby Beach. Big up yourself, Veggie.
Just make sure myself can big up.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. Today we are talking about Cocotti. You can remember the Cocotti song?
Remember everything, man, but I'm full.
No, me just say if you can remind me of the topic of one or two in song there. Alright, my people. Princesses. One of my princesses. It's a YouTuber me I got you. Some of people say how the bridge set, so we can walk on it, but they're not allowing vehicle to drive on it, my people. So see, Raya Cobra are telling my people. See, and this is the ancient. This is one of the oldest bridge. This is one of the oldest bridges in Spanish Town, my people. So I think. So I'll be traveling on that side, and we'll be showing you sideways. So right there, Spanish Town Health Center, right there. And we're gonna be crossing over Raya Cobra Bridge. Why you call bridge? I want the hope. One truck not meeting up in there. But people, I'm kind of scared of height, you know. Especially if I'm up on the bridge and one truck decide to pass for it. Yeah. So I think I'm done. Ever Bless is walking through like a real Jamaica walk by today again. Some of people don't fight it, you know. Like up the video right there. I'm not gonna be walking on this side. I'll be walking to the side here. And in the distance, wow. Kind of bushy. I'm gonna be walking in this little narrow area. This bridge needs some attention. Yeah. Seriously, some attention. So that's why I think some people will be walking. And don't ask me if I'm scared, because while me I walk, I can see all of them people. So you see that here, my people, you can just imagine how deep it is, you know. Some people in the distance there. That bridge is the bridge that I've shown you on canvas earlier on. Yeah, and it goes that way. Some people, yes. Some people, as a traveler, ever bless a showcase beautiful things and places. And my people, you know, say in the distance here, I see a roots man. When I talked to some long time ago, I wonder if you want to tell me. If you have anything to tell me today about him roots them. And where him roots them can do. Yeah man, some people that's it. One of the oldest bridge in St. Catherine. That one. See if I can make it across. So there you go, my people. The entrepreneurs continues in the street. Lionheart, herbs. Yeah man, some people. I have number that you can reach out to him. And he will tell we some of the roots that we have. And tell we some of the things that we're good for, where the roots that we sell good for. Some of people. Welcome to Ever Blessed Travels, Miji. Give me a line up of some of the roots that you sell.
Okay, we have roots here all different types.
Yeah.
This is moringa.
Yeah.
This would be every type of problem. Yeah. Blood pressure, memory loss, erectional problem, cancer. And this have so much different things. And people have complain. And this is everybody know moringa. Then buy it and treat it when this is in the roots.
Okay.
Alright? This is strong bark.
Yes.
Strong bark you want to keep the water. Green ingredients that are inside of the bark.
Yes.
It's a whole heap of roots. They are
Yes.
seafood formula.
Yes.
I don't tell everybody much about the seafood formula. Alright? Now we have build up. Build up. Builder.
Okay. Builder.
Builder.
Yes.
Yeah man. It's also have a lot of special type of herbs. I don't give you 3 of the herbs that's in it. It's cedar, cashew bark, and cinnamon bark.
Yeah.
Those are 3 of the herbs that's in it. But
Yeah.
it have at least 15 different herbs.
Yeah.
That's not a 3.
Yeah.
This is the blood cleanser.
Yeah.
Poor circulation of blood.
Yeah.
Right? Poor circulation of blood. Right? Stop it from God giving the heart problem. It's able to thin in the blood at the heart. Right?
Yeah.
If you look at the herb, if you look at the back here, this is in the plastic back here.
You okay?
So it start to swell.
Okay.
In that it's well cured right now.
Okay.
Alright? Now, up here it's called a colon cleanser. Guinea weed, dark blood, neem, and the bamboo, the plant of the bamboo. That's why I thought this one. Any form of sickness, this clean the lung, kidney, the liver, this clean the whole system. And people want to do it, right? So this is about man,
some of the most important.
Yeah, man, I give you all most of the important
Yes.
thing out here, right?
Most needed roots
Yes,
for the body. Yes.
We also deal with herpes. Any kind of herpes problem, yeah. The same herbs them that I show you. Right? Now we sell castor oil right here.
Yes.
Right? Come on, come on. What we call French thyme or oregano, yeah?
Yeah.
It's good for any pharmacy. Any pharmacy.
It have a mint. You have a mint smell.
Because it's related to the mint.
Oh yeah, my people. It has a mint smell.
Yes, it's related to the mint. So this go right over that kind of place. I mean, right here.
Yeah.
Right. So it's right here. People sick, come on and take some. Then have a look at the vervine.
Question.
Yeah.
In the does my grandparents used to use it as a thyme in the soup?
Yeah, it can use in the soap, it can use in our food,
Yes,
it can
yes.
use in our meat, and it can also use to get rid of any ulcer, a matter of fact, any problem. Let's say cancer, wound cancer. This.
The one plant can do that?
Yes.
Wow.
One plant can do it, but different. But people love to mix it.
Yes.
Yeah. Right? So.
Some of people lion on herbs. Some of people, as we continue to walk and showcase the entrepreneurs in the street, my people will continue to look on herbs. The healing of the nation. Some of people. Oh. Some of people. And they reach out that. Slowly I'll give you the contact. Yes. This is called a mango snake plant. Snake plant.
Yeah.
I was told that this is good to be in your house.
Yeah, good for oxygen.
Oxygen in your house, alright?
Yeah, it gives you oxygen.
Summer brother.
Yeah. So, next time, I'm right here at Demchapen.
Yes.
And you can look
It is close to the
bridge.
It is close to the hospital bridge, my people. Yeah. So as if you,
from Spanish Town,
yes.
it's on the right hand side.
Just as you come through the bridge, it's on the right. Just look out for the entrepreneur vehicle, yeah.
Yes.
And you landmark that. Some people. As the thing come down, ever bless people, I'm gonna be asking of you to my people to give your full support to the Lion Art Roots and my people.
This is the castor oil.
Yes.
This is the cold press castor oil, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, and this one is a mixed one.
Okay.
Black castor oil.
Okay, and they are all originals.
Original.
Yeah, my people. So that my touch I'm sure to say him have all of the things them original. So just check him out and heal your sicknesses where you have a walk pan down with. The roots them when him sell my people, him say they don't carry side effects. So what more could you be asking for? I saw you think come down people. So I'm gonna be asking of you my people to give your full support. Just give him a call, tell him your complaint, him tell you what you need, and your healing did it.
Yeah, man.
Some people will walk and talk with the herbs man. The herbs man say he remember something about cocoa in general.
Yeah, man.
Cocoa man who used to play upon with cassette.
Yes.
Can you find a cassette now?
That
means
but me have to go look for it.
That means him a Haitian singer. Him a legend.
Pan cassette.
Alright. So can you remember one line in the song when him sing? Just one man. You know matter.
The whole man sang them.
Yeah man. I know same song them but I want people to give me a two line.
Rest in peace, my brother.
Yeah.
I can't want disturb the energy. I'm artist.
Yeah man, I'm an artist, a real man. Me used to watch him.
I'm a real artist. I feel it.
Yeah.
inside of me, you know, say,
Yeah.
the legend gone.
Yeah, man.
I just want to keep it. Respect
Yeah.
the man, respect the family, respect everything.
Yeah.
Just want to do that. Because we are playing music
Yeah.
right through
Yeah.
the time. Holy Mount Zion and all them songs.
Yeah. All the Mount Zion, right? Yes.
I said, grab the last and prove and come.
Yes.
Holy power working at the yard to do.
Yeah.
You know, the man have so much truth.
Yeah, yeah,
The man through them, that is a message.
Yeah. Yes.
I don't really song them a message them.
So, in the ending, we are going to say, live on Kokoti.
Yeah, man, it's
Yeah,
live on.
yeah, man, yeah, man.
Your word.
So, Meji,
man.
appreciate you for your time. Saying, Heart of Love Lions. Some people, we keep walking in the street. I never bless, definitely. I go check back the roots, man. No, go check back the roots, man. And see if you have anything for ever bless. Yeah. So we keep walking in the street. Yeah, man. Walk in the street like a real Jamaica walk by. Jamaica walk by, you see what you cause me for do, my brother. Yeah, man. What people are going to talk about you like how we are talking about Kokoti. Wish you long life and happiness. And hope that we take a long time to talk about you like how we are talking about Kokoti. That we are talking about. From the rock, my people. See? On the Spanish town produce them kind of. You see? We're just looking at it and say, the days when they make these roads, how them deal with it. See this rock, my people? The designer for this area in that time, they didn't think about the danger that this place can have first. If you notice when they build a road now, they cut that way all the way and then size it down, come down. But this, they did one straight dig. So because they do that, these things continue to fall down very often, my people. In Spanish town. And because them road are built so long ago, then we continue to have these things to deal with. You see how high it is, my people? I can sure it is about 60 feet high from floor level here. But I dig it all the way down. Hustlers in the street.
Yeah, bless you.
Big up yourself, Meji. Big up yourself. Meji! Alright. So all the way down, people. Continue to walk through. One car for sale, my people. Nice car for sale. Rims and all that. On that street. Juice man in the street. Pick up yourself, man. That here, my people. Bring you back to Clarendon. All the place. See, brother, can come back to Bagwak. Yeah, man. So you see how these, just as we have the road that you can see, so people build their houses way up on the rock. So we continue to walk the street, my people. So continue to look and see whatever place is going. All this house on here, so build up on the rock. Showcasing my people. right here, my people. Them sell awning and all them things, the awning and sliding windows. The one them sell awning and sliding windows here, so. Wow, sure. I didn't know. No, we don't know. We are in Greendale. People, if ever blessed tell you say sun hot, it's sun hot. Some people, me nah fight it, you know. Subscribe to the channel right there if you haven't subscribed. Yeah man, show me some love, my people. Show me some love for the walk here, you know. As we're walking through, showcasing, as we say, beautiful things and places. Yeah man. And don't forget to know me people, today's video is dedicated to the legend Cocotti. Yeah man, that's how I think come down with people. So we're walking through and show you how Greendale look. So my people, if I have traveled in any area that you have known so far, I'm gonna be asking if you to drop a comment for me. fields out there, my people. And we're looking at. Fields garden look nice. Nice flowers. First time I see this one, many people. I don't remember if I see this one before. Yeah, man. Nice garden. Nice green area fields out here. Nice. Spend money by your place and fix it up nice, huh? Some of people, that one is the one that I know. That one I know, that one. So the walk-in containers, my people. Look at fields house and next bus stop for this year, look at and next bus stop. But then set up anything them in a style. Fields me like it. So fields are there, my people, it's not just an hardware. They sell a wide range of things there. So if you notice they have all water. They have all water station there. Yeah, man. But I feel it's one, just a field. Yeah, man. General Delton Woods. It's on the right side there. There's a new development there. There's a progress that is in Greendale here, my people. Check out the progress. There's the driveway there. Then go to fat. My people, it's been a long walk. I never bless his saying. Tune in. Ever blessing are your players. I got what he said that to my people. He said, tune in. Yeah, man. Tune in to Ever Bless Travels, my people. Tune in and watch how Ever Bless I take on the street. Like a real Jamaica walk by. Yeah, man. So Cocotti say, tune in. In the land. Live on Cocotti. Yeah, man. And now your music that I'm going to play. thing mankind play. And now your song them out play, and now everybody will recognize you and talk about you as the legend and all these things. So my people there. To the left there is where you get material to build all your windows and doors. Yeah, man. A lot of business going on here in St. Catherine. Lots and lots of business. So we still have to take the time out to encourage persons to be entrepreneurs. Yeah, man. Take up some of the money them and spend them, but the public can come and showcase them to the world. No joke, no joke, no joke. That's why Cocotti say, tune in, lean in, I make it nice up the lawn. Yeah. For all the bedroom keeps skanking. There is the police academy. Yeah, man. I just didn't train the police. This is a fishing village, my people. Right here. So my people were at the fishing village where they sell freshwater fish. And we are demonstrating as to how they catch them before they get them out. You look at them wilder than when they mean I pond with you.
Sometimes. When I left it nothing there, kind of difficult. Because fell down.
They say they're catching on people.
Man got the money. Man got the money.
Get them out of the town. So one of them there, so one of them there?
Yeah, but I can fix it. Hey! What's the question?
So they catch them, put them fast.
That's what I did.
Catch them, so the water bubble up. Bubble with them in there. Show you catch them again. Yeah. So every day you sell fish out there? Every day you sell fish out
Every day, 7 days a week.
How long since you did that in the moment?
Me, I'm in this business for like
21 years. That is paid. Long time on, man. So much confidence is that?
750.
Wow.
Wholesale price.
Oh, so you have like 2 of them away 1 pound?
Like 2 of this. What are we at?
Okay.
And this, 1 pound.
And this size fish them you like, man?
Okay, 1 pound. 1 pounder.
And that fish them you like? 1 pound. So I encourage somebody when they make up to make sure they stop at you.
Yeah, man, when they come, just after Karima.
Karima? Shadow Star, yeah, bad name. So you don't know no Cocoa song? Today we are talking about Cocoa, you know. You don't know Cocoa song?
Not really, I don't really pay attention.
Alright. So you know the Cocoa drop out and we are say long live Cocoa. Some people so you have a number where you want to get people somebody that if they want to call in before them reach?
208-1793, that's my business number.
Alright, the people know hear that. So when they come, look for Kareem, I share the vice lady out there, I sell all of the fish them. So we're moving on with people. Check out Everbless Travels. Everbless Travel.
Everbless Travel.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do.
Yeah, some people continue. And we have entrepreneurs and other people. Some people, on the side, you get all of your fish. And on this side, you get the ground provision. That means if you want to cook on your fish, see a prayer. A real scotch bonnet them, a bell pepper them, a scallion over here, so a pumpkin there, so they have all the color for stuff them. You have everything here, so man. Yeah man, I want stop and I deal with this. Some people they entrepreneur in the street and they real today. Yeah man. Yes, a big up cocotti. Cocotti and non-cocotti only. Yeah man. So young entrepreneur, keep pushing, see? Alright. So we are go through, we take time and go through. Tomorrow you see what going. How you mean? Man, say big up cocotti. Big up yourself, see? And I go through, see? Yeah. Where your place there?
Yeah?
Where your place?
No man, I see a place, man.
Okay. Me never bless travel.
Yeah?
Me never bless travel. You want to show up on YouTube?
No, but me look for you, man. Never bless.
Yeah, so you tomorrow, you don't know no cockatoo song. A cockatoo we have to live on today, you know.
No.
Alright, some people. The journey continues. Everbless continue to patrol the street. And we are say tune in for Everbless to walk the street. Yeah. We are taking on the street, my people, and we are taking on without fear. If you have any doubt, a water, see Everton, Everbless you tune in. Yeah man. So we are walk through. And the bridge is narrow, my people. They make it with 2 vehicles. But then they make it with pedestrians, so I walk through. Yeah. Some people say the thing come down. So we can just imagine that majority of the fish them with themselves come from all over them pan here, see? They have a fish pan there, so. And they have a fish place over there, so. So we can also imagine that some of them fish come from all Hill Run. Yeah, man. And them have fishing area right there. Some people, the journey continues. Wow! Everbless has covered a long journey today. Just for you guys, because I know that when I walk, then the vehicle moves so fast, so some things you might not be able to see. So Everbless decided to do some walking. Yeah man. So as I promised my people, in every way, shape and form of movements, Everbless I will take them on. So I'm knowing you're seeing me in truck, you see me in a bus, you see me on bicycle. In America they call it bike. Yeah man, some people. Motorbike. So we have motorbike left my people. And we have boat and we have ship. So motorbike, ship and boat and them one that left on my bucket list my people to take on as means of transport. And right now I take on I use up my foot them. So this is one means of transport to my people. So that's how everything come down. So we walk the street. Yeah man. So my people, appreciate you for your journey thus far. Yeah man, and the walk continues. The real walk continues. Pick up yourself, my rider. Yeah man. Rider looking at the camera and say yeah, but I see him when he's late, so I don't get to. I don't know if I get to pick up enough of him. And if me even pick up the full of him, I don't know who to look for on the camera. I'm not going to know, sir. Everbless Travelers, I show him off to the world. That is it, my people. So, how could I do a walking vlog and not big up some YouTubers and some supporters in the house? Jamaica walk by. Big up yourself, my G. Motivation. See? They are motivated. They are to do walking. Or even to do YouTube. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Color Smith. Yeah, man. And the team. And 3 Mile and TV, it's a must that him getting big up. Him and Cameron family and Queen Sheba. Yeah, man. We also have Boom family and friends. We also have Jamaica vibes. King Wicked. Wagwan, my G. Big up yourself, my brother. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Vibes 39. Appreciate you for your continued support, my brother. Yeah, man. That's everything up on there. Wildlife family. Keep pushing. Keep supporting others. No joke. Yeah, man. So we're walking the street. Some people, we are now at Osemati roundabout. That's all. Right here is Osemati roundabout, my people. So in the distance there is Osemati High School. Yeah, man. To your left here is the tilapia fish themselves as some people. Yeah. So yeah. Call it a fisheries. So them sell big fish and them sell small fish. That tree, very nice tree. Nice part in Paddy. It's in the center of the roundabout there. Yeah. So everybody has done a long walk. And I appreciate you, my people, for your walk, for walking. Some people. I'm gonna also encourage you to give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. I'm gonna ask a few more people to touch the notification bell that you'll be notified when a new walking video is uploaded. So that's the time you'll know if me a walk, ride or drive. As I don't, I set up myself in a one way, my people, where you guys can't study me. How will me ever do? Yeah, man. Some people we do a journey yard and abroad. Yeah, man. We do it near and we do it far. And today's vlog is in St. Catherine, Spanish Town. And as you know, that we're taking on the 14th parish. And we're not going to stop until we're done there. So which one of the parish you guys want to see me next? Always remember to leave a comment, my people, after you give ever bless your full support. I'm going to be asking a few of my people to leave a comment so that I can feel proud to know that you are supporting. No joke, that is it. So we keep walking. Yeah, man. Proud walk, me walk today. Want to make sure I'm fit to the princess there. How you doing, my princess? Oh yeah. So we continue to walk. Right there. It's tax house. I never place I go check out one and few things inside it. Yeah. So there, my people, is the Osemati High School. Yeah. So we continue to walk. And the entrepreneurs is out. So when you come at the tax office, then you get the little snacks and you put this shams. Then come out and put up them shelves, put up them stall and sell to people who work at the tax office or who work at the RGD. Yeah. So that's RGD. People will get your birth paper done. You get your marriage certificate sorted out there, so some of people are saying things come down. And that new development there. Yeah, man. Then finally fix this piece of road here. Used to be always bumpy. Yeah, man. Jamaica government, you know, to pay attention and fix up the road in some more. Fix them up nice like all. And I'm at me, I'm mad. In case you're wondering, I'm a youth. Some people there is housing trust right there. So if I bless, I go take leave and turn Register General Department. Yeah, man. So I think come down. So that's the area is where you get your birth paper. Alright, so you can get some jelly. Jelly man, are you jelly man? What go on jelly man?
Yeah.
Yeah man, I got you.
Alright, that's very good.
Yeah man. Well, you can get American apples and you can get. So this is where you, right in front of the RGD, you get your fresh apple. Fresh? I guess they did not come from America. Check out Ever Blessed Travels on YouTube. Yeah, so some of people them sell American apples and they sell pear. The American pear. I one of them pear they come from last year. Or they just come here. Yeah man, some of people are saying things come down. So, some more people, my Ever Blessed Travelers. Thank you, my people, for your continued support. Rest in peace, Kokoti. Ever Blessed, salute you. And I'm gonna be saying, my people, that thank you so much for journeying with Ever Blessed thus far. A long walk today. Appreciate you for your continued support. Ever Blessed Travelers is saying, my intention is to showcase beautiful things and places to you, my people. I'm gonna be continue to like, share and subscribe to Ever Blessed Travels. As this video, my people, will come to an end, Ever Blessed is saying so long, and I will see you in the next walk, the next drive, the next ride. This under my nose. I'm out.